Hey everyone, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a simple fruit smoothie. Now fruit smoothies are a lot of fun to make because you can get really creative and put all your whatever ingredients you want. Today I'm going to use strawberry and banana frozen because it kind of gives it a more thicker, icier consistency, peanut butter, and milk. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to add my fruit, then add my liquid, and I'm just going to go to my max fill line here on my cup, and just any old blender will work to mix it all together. And then I'm going to add a nice couple of spoonfuls of peanut butter, just because I like peanut butter, and of course you can use almond butter or any type of nut butter for this. I'm going to screw on my lid here. Make sure it's tight. Flip it. Put it on top of my blender, and we're going to mix it up.